stocks are crashing for these two reasons. Hello, I'm Steve Forbes, and this is What's Ahead, where you get the insights you need to better navigate these turbulent times. The stock market has tumbled in recent days for two big reasons. Reason one, polls show Democrats could win the presidency and both houses of Congress on Tuesday, and stocks are reacting to the possibility of massive increases in taxes, regulations, and government control of health care. The economy, which is recovering from the spring lockdowns, would falter, and that's bad news for equities. Reason two, coronavirus cases are moving up here and in Europe, and that fans fears of more lockdowns, which would also damage the economy. The jump in the number of people diagnosed with COVID-19 shouldn't trigger sweeping lockdowns as happened last spring. This rise is fueled both by colder weather, which has people spending more time indoors, and by far more testing. Fortunately, unlike the situation when this pandemic first hit, we have effective therapeutics that were not available back then. That's why death rates are lower. We also know the categories of people who are most vulnerable and who should take special precautions. Instead of blanket sweeping shutdowns, leaders should take a more targeted approach, such as happening in El Paso, Texas, which became a hot spot and where resources are thereby being rushed in. Some states may overreact, but it appears most will indeed adopt more precise responses. Market worries about what will happen with taxes, regulations, and health care are impacting stocks more. For instance, the Democrats' push for a 40% capital gains tax, a level not seen since the stagnant 1970s when stocks performed terribly, would hurt equity prices. A 33% increase in business taxes would result in less money to pay employees and less money to invest and less money to pay dividends on stocks that are mostly held by 401ks, IRAs, and pension funds. Obviously, we won't know what kind of economic environment we will have until we have the election results. In the meantime, uncertainty reigns, and that means volatility with stocks. I'm Steve Forbes. Thank you for listening. Do send in your comments and suggestions. I look forward to being with you soon again.